Welcome back, y'all, to another day, another video. Do you remember when we bought Denali a bike for her birthday? If you don't, then go watch the previous video, a very special birthday vlog. We bought her a 16-inch bike and we decided to buy her the spin Brightz. Now what happened was that when I tried to attempt to install the spin Brightz, I accidentally broke them. Now, how did I break them? Well, I was actually having trouble installing them on the wheel that when I pulled the LED tube light, it broke the wires. So I asked my husband if he can please go back to Academy and exchange them, and thankfully customer service did not give him no fuss about why he's exchanging them, because I did not want to explain what happened. So he got another set of lights. Now we do have two, so thank goodness that we returned the first set, because the first set was a pink color only, and these two sets are multiple rainbow colors, and each package is for one wheel. It contains 3 LED light tube clips. So I'm going to try to attempt one wheel and see how that goes, and I want you to come along with me on how to install, because the instructions are pretty easy, but I had a hard time. So I know if I had a hard time, others are possibly maybe having a hard time too. And in case you need to know how to install these, this is the video to watch. So if I can do it, then you'll be able to do it too. Let's go. Okay, so let me set you up somewhere here. Okay, good. Now, so here is her bike. So to make it easier on myself, what I'm gonna do is flip it over. Just like that. Can you see? No, okay. Let me fix you guys. Okay, let me bring you down a little bit. Oops. Let's see. Okay, so let's try and start with the front wheel. So I'm gonna open the package. Okay, here we go. So here are the 3 LED tubes, and here is the on and off switch. There is one setting. Oh, is it just one setting? Okay, just one setting it looks like. So let's remove it real quick. So the pink LED lights did have 3 settings, I believe. I'm going to have to read the package once more just to be sure. Okay. So this is the on and off, 3 LEDs. Now from my understanding, you can clip it. You can clip the on and off button as well, just like the LED lights, or you can strap it with this. I tried strapping it, and when I pulled it, I pulled the wire. So that's what happened the first time. So I think this time I'm gonna try to clip it only. Let's see. First, let's start installing the lights. So let's just start here. Or, okay, maybe I'm gonna have to go through the inside. Let's see. You see, I'm already having trouble. Uh-oh. These might not be the right size for her bike. It says we might have to return these and go back and get the pink ones, because the pink ones for sure were for a 16-inch and up. These are not going to fit. No. Okay, we'll come back again. And we are back. So we had to return the previous Brightz. Now I have these pink spin Brightz, and it does say that it is for ages 5 and up. And in addition to that, it does say that it is for 16-inch and up wheels. So make sure that you have the right Brightz, okay? So these are pink. I knew that the pink ones said 16-inch and up. I'm assuming, of course, these are for the kids. Now I'm gonna try to attempt and install it on the wheel. The pink ones do have 3 modes of changing colors. So let's see. 1, 2, 3. All right. Now let's try to install it. I'm trying to make it look like this on the package. I don't know if I'm going to achieve that. I feel like I already started off wrong, but let's try again. Okay, so first we're going to install the battery pack, and it says around the wheel hub or between 2 cross sections of spokes. So I'm gonna try to do that. Yes. Okay, did I get it? Let's see. Okay. Oh, see, no, I did this wrong, because if I try to turn the wheel, the battery pack gets stuck. Okay, let's do this again. Why? Mommy's trying to figure out how to install this. Okay, so I'm gonna have to put the battery pack inside, inward. Am I saying that right? Inward.
It did go. You will go that way. It's this way.
That way or this way? I wonder if I can get.
Oh, my this. It did go this way and this.
Oops. Okay. Okay, it was not as easy, but I got it, I think. Let me show you real quick how I did it and what I did to make it stick. I'm gonna be honest, I'm a little worried, I'm a little concerned. I don't feel as confident that I put them on right, but I tried. I'm gonna have my husband come inspect it and check for himself, just so that we can have a second set of eyes on whether this is safe or not for Denali to ride. So let me show you. Okay, so this is how it's looking like. I had to install the battery pack inward, okay? And then I started just tying the, what is this called? The string, I guess, the wires around a spoke. So what I did here was from the battery pack, I tied the wire around this spoke here. And then I tried to make it as tight as possible. And the first LED light is this one here that I clipped on. And then what I did was move on and again put the wire and tie it around another spoke, and then on the same spoke I installed the second LED light. Then from there I put the wire on another spoke, but the LED light I clipped it on another spoke. So there's a lot of just tying in and out, going in and out, and making sure that this is as tight as possible, but not as too tight, because I accidentally almost broke it again. I almost tore it apart, and the lights did go off for a little bit, and I'm like, oh snap. But it's because I had it too tight. Once I loosed it up, the lights turned back on. So not as tight, but tight enough where nothing can get stuck or attached while she's riding. So if I turn and spin the wheel, it goes, it's working. But again, that to me does not look safe. It does look secure, just not safe. So we'll see. Package number 2 for the last wheel, the wheel on the back. My husband gave me the go on the front wheel, but he suggested another way, so I'm gonna try it that way. I'm going to start by clipping on the battery pack and then move on to the LED lights. It was way easier doing it that way. And to be honest with you, that is what the instructions said. I was not paying attention. So remember to pay attention to your instructions. The wheel on the back is a scary part because here we have the bicycle chains. So I was gonna do this side where the chains are at, but I'm gonna end up doing the other side to give the chains some space and make my life easier. You're probably wondering, why am I not just letting my husband do it? Why am I suffering over here? Because I can do it too. And what if I didn't have a husband? I'm just being hard-headed. Hey babe, I think I'm gonna ask you to come do this wheel.
What happened?
I'm having a hard time strapping the battery pack and I'm hurting my fingers. Oh, I got it, I got it. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm trying to wrap the wire or the cable around this here. Okay, so I am done. I wrapped the cable. Let's see if I can turn it this way. I wrapped the cable around here, and the LED lights are not like the first wheel. The spacing is not the same as the first wheel, but this is what's gonna have to do. Let's test it and spin the wheel. So it seems like it's spinning. Nothing's catching on nothing. All right, I have to be honest, this got frustrating. I almost gave in, pulled out the white towel, called the quits, but I did it. And if I can do it, you can do it too. But be patient, it's gonna take some time. My finger hurts from trying to strap the battery pack, and all I can think of is that when Denali sees her bike and rides her bike, she's gonna be happy with it. So that is all that matters. But that is how you install the, what is it called, the spin lights or spin Brightz. I don't have the package with me. This is the end of the video. Thanks.